Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. And welcome to this video. Friend, do you use hook in your video? If not, keep pause today's full video. It will help you gain more viewers and more subscribers. Hook word? Hook word is the keyword for the video. Hook word could be used your video title, description, and tag word. It will help to Google for searching your video and present to your viewers. So you can use hook word. How you find your hook word? You can search the same type of video the other channel that they upload. You can find the hook word from them, and you can use it. Now the second thing is hook picture. Hook picture could be the thumbnail picture. If you create a good thumbnail, viewers can attract and they can click the video and they can or the full video. So we're in the finishing line. Who could be the word, who could be the picture. So you can use a proper hook word and you can use proper thumbnail as a hook picture. Bye for today. See you in the next video.